Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can turn on Allow for Orders and Appointments on Messenger. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Messenger app in your device. Then, tap on three lines icon. Next, tap on Settings. Then you can see the option of Orders. Tap on it. Next, you can see the option of Order Settings. Tap on it. Then you can see the option of Allow for Orders and Appointments. Turn on it by tapping on it. So this is how you can turn on Allow for Orders and Appointments on Messenger. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.